Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to show you and explain to you how to use a website called Social Blade, as you can see here, to see all of the analytics of your account and other accounts also, so that it helps you to understand what is going on in your account and what you can correct or do more of, etc. So the website is socialblade.com. Here you can analyze different accounts and statistics in different platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, blah blah blah. But now, because we're talking about Instagram, let's go into Instagram and let's let's enter an Instagram business username. Let's just go with motivator guide. Oops. Okay. And here, as you can see, it says here the name Yanis Andreu, motivator guide. Here that he's a verified Social Blade member. The followers, the uploads, average likes, engagement rate, average comments. Okay, and you can see here many more statistics, like the following that he has. Like he had here 6,700. Then the next day it dropped 900. Then it dropped 33. Then he gained 1,000 more. The following, by the way, let's just go into it so that you can see. The following is this one. So what we just saw was an analyzation, or whatever it's called, analyzing of this number. Then here we have followers, so you can see how many he gains each day, and different stats over here. Alright, so let's just go into another one also, which is this guy. Oops. Okay, and he has many followers here, following, engagement rate. And by the way, if you see this kind of engagement rate and you think it's a small engagement rate, I will tell you why this happens. Basically, if you upload many posts